Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different. In this video guys, we are going to learn something new, something different in React.js. Yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn something new, something different in React.js. And guys, today in this video, in this session, we are going to learn how to create an awesome, dynamic and state of the art React book app. Okay, yes guys, you heard that right. Today in this video, we are going to learn how to create an awesome, dynamic and state of the art book app using React and using the third party API as well. Okay, so guys, here we are also going to learn what is API and how to integrate third party API in our React app, in our React application, and how to fetch the third party API data in our React app and how to show them on the browser as well. Okay, and we will create the book app using the external API data. Okay, and we will also learn how to uh, integrate the third party API in our React app. Okay, so guys, just to give you the demo, I have already created an example. So let me go to the example now and let me just show you the example. Let me just explain all the feature, all the functionalities of the example, so that we will get to know that today what we are going to learn and today what we are going to create in this video, in this session. So let me go to the example now. So guys, this is the example I have built using purely React. Okay, and guys, this is the API we are going to use. We are going to fetch the data from. Okay, so guys, this is the Open Library Book API. Okay, guys, this is the free. Okay, Open Library Book API. I'll give you the link in the description. You can just go there and you can just read the documentation. It is free to use, and you can just try to integrate this API in your React app, in your React application, and you can just try to fetch the data and you can just try to show them on the browser as well, like I have did here. Okay, so guys, this is the library API, Open Library Book API. It's free to use, and I'll give you the link in the description as well. You can just go there and you can just check it out. Okay, so I'm also going to use this Open Library Book API here in this video, in this session. Okay, to explain you the things. Okay, so guys, this is the book API. So guys, this is the book image, or we can say the cover pic as well. Okay, and this is the name of the book. Okay, and this is a few details about the book. Okay, like ebook access. Okay, first published year. Okay, and the author name. So this is the ebook access is borrowable. We can borrow it. Okay, and it was first published in the year 2003, and author is this. Okay, so likewise for all the book card, we can say I have shown here the first cover pic, or the first book cover picture or the image, along with the book name also, and some feature as well. Okay, I'll explain you all the things while we will start coding. Okay, so guys, this is the book API. So we can guys search any kind of book. Okay, but here I am not integrated, I am not implemented here the searching feature or functionalities. I'll create a separate video where we can search different books. Okay, like math books. Okay, fiction book. Okay, English literature book. Okay, physics, chemistry, biology. Guys, we can search any kind of book using this Open Library Book. Okay, API. Okay, so I'll create the new video where we can search any kind of book. Okay, but in this video, in this session, I'll just try to show you the things how we can integrate the API and how we can fetch the data from the third party API, and how we can create this kind of dynamic and awesome application book app. Okay, and guys, here I have integrated the pagination as well. Okay, yes guys, you heard that right. I have also created here the pagination feature as well. Okay, where we can uh, change the we can switch the page as well. Okay, so guys, here we are getting here 100 data. Okay guys, we are getting here 100 data, and I have shown here 10 book card, or we can say here I have shown here 10 details, okay, on a single page. Okay, and we can see here we have got here 10 pagination button as well. So this is known as the pagination button. Okay, so on each and every single page we will show here only 10 data. Okay, so and we are getting here 100 data, so we will have technically we will have 10 pages. Okay, so you can see here this is the first page up to 10 page. Okay, so I'll just explain you also how we can create pagination easily in React only using the purely React.js. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, and I have shown you all the things what we have fetched here, the picture or the book image, book name, ebook access. Okay, first published year also, and the author name as well. So guys, if you want, you can show other details as well. Okay, I have just shown here a few details just for the demo, so that I will try to keep the video short. Okay, so guys, let me just show you the pagination as well. So this is the first page. Try to go to the second page. See, boom guys, you can see here our data is also not changing. Okay, so go to the third page. See, our data is also changing. Go to the fourth page. See how dynamic and how cool it is. Okay, the pagination. Go to the fifth page. Okay, see, boom guys, go to the sixth page. See, data is also changing. Go to the seventh page. Go to the eighth page. Go to the ninth page. You can see here we are also fetching the data. Okay, and go to the now 10th page, the last page. So we can see here our pagination is also doing great, and there is no any error, there is no any issue, and I'll explain you each and everything when we will start coding. Okay, so guys, now let's get a start, and let's start coding with me, er Prabhat Pandit. Okay, but guys, before starting of the video, I would like to request you all, please guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please press the bell icon also, and please like this video as well. Okay, please guys, please subscribe now my channel Code with ER. Please, I need your help, I need your support. Okay, please guys, please do subscribe now my channel Code with ER. It's a request, it's a humble request from each and everyone who is watching my video. Please guys, please do subscribe now my channel Code with ER. Okay, so I hope you will do now, and you will press the bell icon also, and you will subscribe the you will like this video also, and please, I'm going to hope I'm hoping that you will subscribe now my channel Code with ER. Please, it's a humble request. Okay, from a friend to a friend, from a brother to a brother. Okay, please guys, consider me as a friend, consider me as a brother, and please guys, okay, do share this video, okay, with your colleagues, with your groups also, and with your friends as well. Okay, please guys, please do share with your colleagues, with your group, and with your friends as well. Okay, so guys, now this is it. Let's get started and let's learn. Okay, so let me just go to the code editor. So guys, here I'm going to use here the VS Code editor. Guys, you are free to use the IDE of your choice, of your preferences. Okay, I'm going to use here VS Code editor. I'm going to create here the first page. Now I'll say here book app .jsx. Save the file. I hope it's already there. So let me just try to hit enter. I told you it's already there. So let me just put here 1. Okay, so hit enter. It's already there also. What is the matter? So let's just make it 1 1. What is the issue, guys? Everything is already there. So say here books. So say here cancel, and try to save it again in the components folder. Say here book apps. Hit save. Now it's save. Now I don't know what is the issue, so I will just import here the React first. So I'm going to import here one hook also. I'll use the use effect hook first, and I'll use here the use state hook as well. Okay, so guys, this is used to like perform the side effects. This use effect is used to perform the side effects, and this use state is used to create the state variables. Okay, this is it. Okay, I'm not going to explain you each and everything in depth in details. Okay, I've explained you already in my previous videos. Okay, I'll use here the ant design UI library as well. Empty, I will use here the component, and I'll just use the tooltip component as well. I'll just use here loader also. I'll just import the clip. Okay, clip loader, and from react spinners, and I'll just say here slash clip. Okay, a loader as well. Okay, and I have to remove this curly braces from here, otherwise we will have a lot of issues. And let me just import here the custom css also. So I'm going to import here the book. Okay, book is not nook, it's book. Okay, book dot custom css also. It is nothing. Okay, I'll show you, don't worry. And I'm going to import here the Axios. Okay, so guys, I'm going to use here the Axios. Okay, to fetch the third party API. Okay, so guys, I'm not going to use here async method, and I'm not going to use here the dot then method. Rather, I'm going to use here the Axios. Okay, it is going to handle each and everything, the error and the JSON object conversion as well. So Axios is going to do all the heavy liftings. Okay, so guys, Axios is going to do all the heavy liftings. Okay, all the like hard work. Okay, on its own. Okay, and we don't have to do anything. Like, we don't have to wait for the promise, or we don't have to wait for the like like a response also. Axios is going to handle each and everything. So to import the Axios, to use the Axios, we have to first import it from the Axios. Okay, I have already installed it in my system, or in my project folder. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, I'm going to create here one const also. I'll say here const. I'll just create here book. Okay, app in React, give equal to, I'll use here the fat arrow function. Okay, so close this. I'll just create here the, I will just return the all the things also. I'm going to create here the wrapper div or the container div. I'll just give the class name also. I will say here container. I'll say here margin top 4, margin bottom I'll also give you a 4. I'll just close this div. Okay, and let me just export it first. So I'll just say here export default book app in React. Okay, so guys, this is it as of now. Guys, first of all, let me just create here a few state variables. Okay guys, let me just create here a few state variables. So I'm going to create here a few state variables. Okay, to hold the data what we will fetch from the third party API. Okay, to store that data, to hold that data. Okay, as a container, we are going to create here few state variables. Okay, so first state variable I'm going to create here. I'll just say here const. I'll just say here books. Okay, to hold the books data what we will fetch from the server. Okay, from the API. Okay, I'll just say here set. Okay, books is the state updater function, from where, from user state. And let me just create here the empty or the blank array. So this books is now the array. Okay, and this is the state variable, and this is the state updater function. Okay, this is it. Okay, I'll just create here another const or the another state variable. I'll say here loading. I'll just say here set loading. Okay, set loading equal to use state. Okay, and as of now just give here true. I'll try to finish this video within like 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, I'll just create here const. So I'll just say here current. Okay, page to like create the pagination. Okay, and I'll just say here set. Okay, set current page, and I'll just give here the default value as a 1. Okay, so default value I'm going to give here 1. Okay, I'll just create here another state variable or this simple variable. I'll just say here const. Okay, I'll just say here books. I'll just say here books per page. I'm going to show here 10 books per page, so I'll give here 10. I'll just create here. So as of now, this is it. Okay, if we need more state variable, we can create it, okay, anytime. Okay, so guys, this is it. So first of all, guys, let me just create here this, okay, heading also. So let me just go to the previous example, and let me just copy this. Okay, just copy this as to like element, okay, entirely full as2 element. Just copy it and just try to paste it here. Okay, I'm going to paste it here. So this is it. Okay, as of now, guys, just save the file, okay, and come to the app.jsx, okay, very quickly. So I am going to say here, I'm going to import it. Okay, I'll just say here book, okay, apps in React. Okay, so copy this and let me just paste it here. So guys, now as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser. So we can see here the heading also. Okay, open library book app. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to comment this out. Okay, this previous app, I'm going to comment it out. Okay, so just come to the like here and just comment this out, and let me just, okay, comment this out as well. So just save the file, have a look in the browser. So we can see here the only heading, open library book app. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so come to this now. Okay, so guys, let me just create here the first, I'll just create here the let me just create here one div first. Okay, I'm going to create here one div first. I'll just say here div, I'll just give the class name also, class name, not class. So class name, I'll just say here row. Okay, row, I'll just say here justify content. I'll say here center, and I'll just close this div, otherwise it is going to show you the error also, and it is still showing us the error. Okay, so it is still showing us the error. Okay, yeah, it is going to show us the error. I know the like exact problem now. So just cut this out and just say here, let me guys, okay, let me just fix this only. Okay, let me just, okay, fix this only. Okay, so cut this out and just because this is the wrapper div, this is the container div. Okay, so we all know that, okay, this return statement is going to return the only single parent or container div. Okay guys, always remember this return statement is going to return only the single, or the only single, or the like main container or the wrapper div. Okay, this is it, or we can say the parent div. Okay, only one div. Okay, this is it. Okay, so guys, as of now, just save the file and let it be. Okay, we don't have any issue, we don't have any problem. Okay, so guys, now we have to write here function also to fetch the third party API. So I'm going to do that now using this use effect hook. Okay, so we all know like what is the feature, what is the functionality of this use effect hook. Okay, it is going to run for the first time whenever our component is going to be mounted for the first time. So I'll just use here use effect, I'll just use here the fat arrow function. Okay, like this. And guys, this is known as the dependency array. Okay guys, this is known as the dependency array. As of now, we don't have any value in dependency array, so this use effect is going to run, this use effect is going to execute only once. Okay, only once whenever our component is going to be mounted for the first time, because this dependency array don't have any single value, so it will execute only once. If it would have any value, and if that value will change, okay, if that value will change, I mean that dependency array value will change, then every time this use effect is going to run, it is going to execute. Okay, so guys, this is it all about use effect. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to use here this Axios. Okay, so this Axios, and guys, here I'm going to use here the get method. Okay, so like we have get, put, delete and patch method. So like here also I'll just use here the get method. And guys, in the parameter of this get method we have to pass here the API URL. Okay, so guys, as the parameter, as a parameter of this get method, I am we have to pass here the API URL. Okay, so let me just go to the example and let me just copy this URL from here. Okay, copy this from here and just to paste it here. So I'll just try to finish this video in 40 minutes. Okay, so I'll just okay, let's just paste it a single or double quotes. Okay, so let it be. Okay, okay, so this is it. So now we will just say here dot then. Okay, we will say here dot then. We don't have to worry about anything. So we will just say here it is going to send us the response. Okay, it is going to give us the response. I'm going to use here the filter function. So open and closing curly braces. This is it. And now we will just use this. Okay, set book state updater function to update this book. Okay, books array state variable. So we will just say here. I'll just say here like this. Okay, so we have to say here response dot. We have to say here data. Okay, response dot data. So let me just guys, as of now, let me just comment this out. Okay, let me just try to show you a few things also. I'll just say here console dot okay log, and I'll just say here first I'll just show you the response. Okay, and again I'll say here console dot log, and I'm going to show here the now the what we are going to get here from the this API. Okay, from this external API URL. Okay, it is going to return us the JSON object. Okay, it is going to return us the JSON object, but we don't have to worry about the that okay JSON object, because they've used here Axios. So Axios is going to do all the heavy lifting for us. Okay, this is it. Okay, as of now let it be. So I'm going to create here the catch method as well to catch the error. Okay, so I'll just create here the filter function again. So I'll just say here error. I'll just use the filter function like this. Okay, and I'll just copy this. Okay, set loading, or let me just create here the let me just create here. So okay, let me just if we want we can create here the error message as well. So I'll just say here const. Okay, let me just create here the error state variable. I'll just say here set error. Okay, to set the error from use state, and as of now just give here the null value. Default value is null. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so now we will just say here console.log in the catch block. We will just say here console.log. So I'll just say here console.log. Okay, and we will just show the error to the user. Okay, or we can say here console.error instead of log on only. We will say here error fetching the book. Okay, books data. Okay, give colon, give a space, and I'll just show here the error as well. This is the error object. Okay, give a comma. I'll just show this error. So this is the error object. Okay, and let me just say here set loading. I'll just copy this set loading and just paste it here. Okay, I'll just say here now you can see here set loading is true here, so we have to make here false. Okay, so make it false, and I'll just use this set error state variable as well to shed the error. So I'll just say here error. Okay, this error dot message, because I told you this error is the object. Okay, so it will have a message property as well. So like this message, what is the issue with the URL? Okay, so they're going to show that as well. Okay, so now in the finally block, I'll just say here not catch again, I'll just say here finally. Okay, like this I'll use here the fat arrow function as well. Okay, so let me just remove this, and we will just say here again, we will say here set loading. okay, set loading, again we will say here false. Okay, and we all know what is the feature of this finally block. I am not going to explain you again and again. Okay, I've explained you all the things in the previous example as well. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so guys, in this way, in this way, we have defined here. Okay, so let me just cut this out, and why not put it inside the one function. Okay, why not put it inside one function? So let me just cut it out, and I'm going to say here const. Okay, so const, I'll just say here fetch API data like this, give equal to, I'll use here the fat arrow function like this, and just open closing curly braces. So close this and just paste it inside this. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so let's just be like this. Okay, and now we have to call this method inside this. Okay, use effect hook only. So copy this. Okay, fetch API data, and we have to call it. Okay, above this. Okay, we have to call above this. Okay, dependency array. Okay, above this dependency array, or above the cleanup function as well. Okay, so guys, whatever we have to call each and everything above the cleanup function inside this use effect. Okay, inside this use effect. Okay, so we will just say here, so I'll just say here call the function explicitly. Okay, explicitly, this is it. Okay, and guys, this is known as the cleanup function. Okay guys, this is known as the cleanup function. Okay, this is it. Okay, so we don't, and we all know that it is going to execute, it is going to run. Okay, once our component is unmounted. Okay, so cleanup function, this is it. Okay, so guys, as of now, just save the file, and guys, here we have just defined the function. Okay guys, here we have just defined the function. We have just told, okay, this function, like what to do and when to do and how to do, and what is the response and what is the like outcome of this function. Okay, as of now we have just defined it, but we have to call it explicitly as well. Okay, so here we have to call it explicitly, above this cleanup function. Okay, above this cleanup function. Okay, so as of now guys, just save the file. Okay, as of now just save the file. Okay, and now come to the browser, and now just go to the developer tools, go to the inspect, go to the console, and now let me just refresh the page. Okay, so see, boom guys, you can see here we got the data. Guys, you can see here we got the data. Okay, you can see we got the data, and you can see here we got here the data as well. Okay, like this is the response I showed you. This is the response, and this is the data. Okay, this is the data, and now guys, inside the data, data, we have to say here this docs. Okay, we have to say here this docs. Okay, you can see here this is the like data we are getting here, and it is an array, and as of now it contains, okay, 100 elements. Okay, as of now it contains, you can see here it contains 100 elements. Okay, and we have to say here to get the actual data. Guys, to access the actual data, to get the actual data, we have to say here response dot data dot docs. Okay, response dot data dot docs. Okay, to get the actual data, we have to say here response dot this data and dot this docs. Okay, and dot this docs. Okay, so now we will just say here, let me just say here dot docs. Okay, docs, so it's as, so now just save the file, and now refresh the page one more time manually. So see, boom guys, now we can see here we got the actual data. You can see this is the array, and as of now it contains, okay, 100 elements. Okay, it is an array, and as of now it contains 100 elements. Okay, so this is the actual data, response dot data dot docs. So just uncomment this out, so we will just say here response dot data dot docs. Okay, response dot data dot docs to to store the data inside this books state variable, and as of now it is an array. Okay, this books is an array. Okay, and guys, we can just, okay, let me just show you one thing also. So I'll just say here slice. Okay, I'll just say here slice, and I'm going to slice the data, okay, in the console only. So I'll just say here, I'll just try to show here only for data. Okay, so as of now, just save the file and have a look in the browser. So here we will get here only show, okay, show only for data. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser now, refresh the page one more time. So see, boom guys, you can see here we can see here only 4 data. I have shown here only 4 data. Let me just show here the 9 data. So I'll say here 0 to 9. Okay, so this is the slice array method. Okay, we are going to slice the array, okay, in part. Okay, we are going to slice the array in part. Okay, 10 data, 12 data, 15 data, likewise. Okay, okay, so just save the file and just now refresh the page one more time. So we will see here only 9 data. We can see, boom guys, you can see here up to 0 to 8. So we will have only 9 data here, like we can see here 0 to 9. So let me just make it 9. Okay, so just now we can see here only 9 data we have. Okay, so this is it. I explained you all the things. Let me just open this first element. Okay, let me just show you here. So this is the author name. Okay, this is the cover I is the image. Okay, cover I is the image. Okay, and you can see here ebook access is borrowable. Okay, and first published year is 2003. Okay, so author name, cover I is the image. Okay, e-access is borrowable, we can borrow the book, and this is the first published year is 2003. Okay, so likewise for all the data, likewise for all the array elements. Okay, this is it. So close this now, and now we will just fetch, okay, each and everything from this books. Okay, state variable, which is an array. So copy it from here, and now we will just, okay, use this books array state variable. So now come to this div. Inside this div, we will just say here, I'm going to say here open and closing curly braces. We will as of now just save the file, and we will just use here the map method. Of course, we can use the map method because this is an array. Okay, so I'll just say here book. I'll just pass here the index as well. Okay, so I'll just say here like this. I'll use here the flatter function like this. Okay, so as of now, let me just create here one div as well. Okay, so I'll just create here one div. I'll just give the class name also. So close this div. I will just say here call lg 3. I will just say here mb 4 as well. So open this div. We have to give here the key prop as well. I'll just give here the index, okay, as a key prop value. So this is it. Okay, this is it. So now I'm going to create here another div. Inside this div, give the class name also. So let me just close this div. I will just create here a card. Okay, so let me just say here height also. I'll say here 100%. Okay, and we will just say here shadow. So open this div, and inside this div we are going to use here the ternary operator from the JavaScript only. So I'll just use here the ternary operator like this. Okay, so we will just say here this book. Okay, this book, and I explained you. Let me just go to the developer tool one more time, go to the console, and I explained you that, okay, cover underscore I is the image. Okay, is the image. We have to create here URL. Okay, we have to create here the URL. So I will just use here the ternary operator. Okay, to check it. Okay, if it is defined, if image is defined or not. Okay, so we'll just say here book dot, okay, cover I. Okay, I. Okay, if it is defined, we will use here the this JavaScript, okay, ternary operator like this. Okay, so let me just close here. So let me just say here, and let me just create here first div. Otherwise it is going to give us the issue all the time. So let me just close this div, and let me just give here the class name also. I'll just say here let me me just first put here the also img element. Okay, so otherwise it's going to show us the always okay issue. Okay, and we will just say here class name. I'll just say here text center, and I'll just say here padding also 5. Okay, so as of now this is it. Okay, and let me just create here the img element. Okay, so I'll just say open this. I'll just say here src. I'll just use here the dynamic. Okay, so let me just use here the this url. I'll just use here the backtick. Okay, so I'll just use here the backtick. So let me just go to the example. Okay, because this is the url, so let me just copy this from here, and let me just paste it here. Okay, so I explained you. You can see here book.cover. Okay, this book. Okay, and this cover underscore I. Okay, this book dot cover underscore I, and this is the jpg. Okay, so this is it. Let me just give you the alt attribute as well, dynamic alt attribute. I'll just say here book dot say here title. Okay, I'll just give you the class name also. Just say here img. Okay, or say here card. Okay, img top. Okay, this is it. Okay, as of now guys, just come here. Okay, if copy this. Okay, empty component from here. Okay, guys, this is the like ternary operator. Okay, if it is defined. Okay, if this book.cover is defined, then we will get this. Okay, if it is not defined, if it is not defined, then we will get this also. So let me just show here that okay, no image found. Okay, using this using this empty component from anti design. So just to paste it here. What is this suggestion, guys? I just hate it. Okay, sometimes. Okay, I'll just give the description as well. I'll just say here no image found. Okay, no image found. Okay, this is it. Okay, as of now guys, just save the file and have a look in the browser. So just come to the browser now, and now boom guys, we can see here we got the image also. You can see, but as of now we can see here the all the 100 data. Okay, as of now guys, we can see here all the 100 data. Okay, but we have to show here only 10 data on every page. Okay, on every single page we have to show here only 10 data. We have to implement here the pagination as well. Okay, but as of now we can see here the entire 100 data on the browser. Okay, the entire the total 100 data on the browser as of now, but we have to implement here the pagination as well. Okay, so we will implement it right now, don't worry. So let me just show the other things as well, like the book name. Okay, like the publish year, EXS. Okay, let me just show it very quickly. So I'm going to do that now. So let me just okay create here here I'm going to create here the div also. So let me just create here the div. Okay, let me just give you the class name also. I'll just close this div. I'll just say here card. Okay, body, card body. So open this div, and inside this div I'm going to create here h5 element. So I'll just say here h5. Let me just give here the class name also. I'll just say here card. Okay, title. So I'll just show here this book. Okay, dot title to show the title. Okay, so just save the file, have a look in the browser. So now boom guys, we can see here, we got to see here the book title as well. Okay, on each and every book card. Okay, we can see here on each and every book card, we can see here the now the title as well. Okay, now we can see here the title as well on each and every okay 100 book card. Okay, on each and every 100 book card as of now we have here on the screen on the browser. Okay, so now let me just create here the span element also. So let me just create here the span element. Okay, and let me just close this span very quickly. Let me just use the class here. So I'll just say here, I'll just use here the badge. Okay, so let me just say here badge, and bg I'll give here danger. So I'll just say here text, I'll just say here white. Okay, text white, and I'll just use here the open and closing curly braces. Let me just first here create here not here, I'll say here book x access, to show the ebook access, okay, if it is borrowable or not. Okay, so we will just say here book. You can see here, let me just go to the example, I mean the developer tools, go to the console. I have to show each and everything every time, okay, so that you can understand each and everything. You can see here, e book access, okay, borrowable, okay, if it is borrowable or not. Okay, you can see here, this is also, you can see ebook access, okay, print disabled, okay, so we can't print it, we can't borrow it as well. Okay, so this is it. Come to the app now, or the code now. I'll just say here dot e, okay, ebook, okay, let me just, why guys, why, let me just copy it from here only, so that you will have a great confidence over yourself. Okay, so copy this ebook access property name from here, and just paste it here, save the file, have a look in the browser. You can see here ebook access is, okay, let me just put here colon, and we can see here ebook access is borrowable, okay, print disable, borrowable, we can borrow it, okay, and we can rent it also, and we can read it online. Okay, so this is the meaning of ebook access, borrowable or print disabled. Okay, this is it. So now I'm going to show here the publish year as well. So copy it out from here and paste it here, and I'll just say here warning, okay, warning, this is it. And I'll just say here first publish year. Okay, I'll just say here first publish year. Okay, and just copy this property first, okay, first publish year, copy it from here. We will see here 2003, 2010, okay, and likewise that kind of data, okay, when it was published first, okay, when it was published first, okay, first. Okay, so let me just paste it here. So this is it. Save the file, have a look in the browser. So now we can see here all the data as well on each and every 100, okay, user profile card, okay, or the book card, we can say here. I am going to show here the author as well. I am going to show here the author as well. Okay, so let me just create here the p element. I'll just create here the para element. Okay, so I'll just show here the author name as well. I'll just say here uh, card, okay, footer, and I'll just give you the another class. I'll just say here card, okay, text. Okay, so open this div, and I'll just say here a strong element also I'll create here, just close this strong. Okay, and I'll just say here author. I want to show here the author as well. Give a space, give column, give a space, and now I'll just say here like this. Okay, so I'll just say here book, okay, book. Okay, let me just go to the developer tool one more time, and let me just copy this property from here only. So just to open this first element, so I'll just copy this. Okay, copy this, where is the author? So you can see here author name, and you can see here it is again an array. Okay, you can see here this author name is again an array. So we have to use here the join method to join the all the authors name. Okay, to join all the author names, I'll just use here the dot join using the optional chaining operator. Okay, using the optional chaining operator. So guys, okay, this is known as the optional chaining operator. Okay guys, this is known as the optional chaining operator. Okay, if it is defined, we will get the author name. If it is defined, we will say here unknown. Okay, unknown. Okay, we will say here unknown. Okay, this guys, so guys, this question mark and this dot is known as the optional chaining operator, and it is used to avoid the runtime error. Okay, and it is used to access the deep nested properties, okay, of JavaScript object. Okay, this is it. Okay, so save the file, have a look in the browser. So now we can see here the author name as well. Let me just remove this class, okay, card footer from here, and just save the file. And now we can see here this we can see here all the author name as well. So we can see here all the author name. You can see here, we can see here all the author name. So let me just put here margin top little bit, 12. I think 2 is enough. Okay, so guys, this is it. Okay, so guys, now we have to implement here the pagination now. Okay, as of now we can see here all the 100 data on the screen. Okay, this is not feasible, this is not good. Okay, and being a developer, being a good developer, we have to implement here pagination as well, and I'm going to implement the pagination now. Okay, so guys, now just be calm, be relaxed. Okay, and be okay mindful also, because we have to now implement the pagination as well. Okay, so now we have to implement here the pagination as well. So come to the code now, and now we have to write the code here. So I'll just here only I'll write the code. Okay, so I'll just create here a few cons. Okay, I'll just create here a few const. Okay, I'll just say here index of, okay, last user. I'll create here index of last user. I'll just copy this. Okay, state variable current page. Okay, current page, I'll just multiply it by, okay, books. Okay, books per page. Okay, so copy it from here and just to paste it here. So as of now, what we will get here, we will get here only 100. Okay, so for the first time we will get here only 100. Okay, and now I'll just create here another const. I just see here index. Okay, index of first, okay, user. I'll just say here index of this last user, index of this last user minus, I'll just copy this. Okay, like current, okay, books per page. So copy this from here and just to paste it here. So what we will get here, we will get here every time. Okay, so index of, as of now we can see here index of last user is 100 and minus, okay, minus okay, minus books per page. So we will get here, first of all we will get here 0. Okay, so you can see here we get this 0 here. Okay, and guys, we can see here as like I showed you how to slice. Okay, so this is the like first index or the starting index or the element on, and this is the last, okay, index or the element to slice, okay, any array. Okay, so here also we are calculating here the first like index of last user and index of first user also we have calculated here. Okay, in this way we will use here this, okay, on the slice method. Okay, on this slice method. So now let me just create here few more const. Okay, I'll just create here one more, like a few more const. Okay, I'll just say here books. I'll just say here books on single page. Okay, we have to say here books on single page. So let me just copy this books. Okay, as of now we can see here this is the entire book. Okay, this is the entire book, entire 100 data. You can see here we have used here this, okay, books, okay, state operator or the, I mean, state variables, which is an array. Okay, so we will just say here like this. Okay, we will just say here books dot, okay, slice. I'll use here this slice to slice it, not splice. I'll say here slice, and we have to pass here this index of, okay, index of the first user. So copy this index of first user. Okay, and just put comma, and we will just say here index of last user. This is it. So now in this way we can slice the this books, okay, this books array state variable, which is an array. Okay, which is an array. And now we have to calculate here the number of pages. Okay, so guys, now we have to calculate here the number of pages as well. Okay, so I am going to calculate the number of pages now. So we will just say here const. Okay, I'll just say here total page. We will say here let me just create here use here the math. Okay, math dot, okay, seal method, seal, and I explained you what is the feature, what is the functionality of this, okay, math dot seal function. Okay, so copy this books, okay, state variable, which is an array, and now we will just say here dot, okay, length dot length, and we are going to divide it here with this, okay, with this books, okay, per page, books per page. So we will divide it, and we will get here, as of now we will get here like 10 pages. Okay, 10 pages. So in this way we have calculated here the first index, last index, okay, books on single page, okay, and the total number of pages as well we have calculated here. So now we have to implement it here using this, okay, books on single page. So copy this, okay, books on single page, copy it from here, because we can see here we have sliced it, okay, this, okay, books, okay, state variable which is an array, and we have stored here each and everything inside this books on single page. So copy it from here and just replace with this books. So as of now we will see here only 10 data. Okay, as of now we will see here only 10 data. So save the file, have a look in the browser. So see, boom guys, now we can see here only 10 data. Okay, we can see here only 10 data. Okay, we can see here only 10 data. If we want, okay, if we want to, we can decrease also. So let's just make it 5. Okay, let's just make it 5, save the file, have a look in the browser. We can see here only 5 data, or the only 5 books card. Okay, this is it. So let's just make it 10 only, save the file. We can see here only 10 data as of now. So now this is it. So copy this, okay, total page variable, and now we can see here we will get here total 10 page. So we have to now create the pagination button as well. Okay, so I am going to do that now using this total page variable name from here. So copy it from here, and below this I am going to do here the code for pagination. Okay, so I'll just create here one div. I'll just give the class name also. Let's just close this div. I'll just say here deflex. I'll just say here justify content center. Open this div, and now we have to use here array dot from method to create the array. Okay, to create the array out of this, okay, out of this total pages, okay, which is 10 now. So we will get here 10 pagination data. Okay, we will get here 10 pagination data. Okay, so we will just say here array dot from. So give here this open and closing parenthesis. So we have to give here open and closing curly braces also. We have to say here length property, and length is this total page. Okay, length is this total page. So now we will just use here comma, and now we have to use here the mapping method as well. So guys, this, okay, this second parameter is known as the mapping method. Okay, so this second method or the parameter is known as the mapping method. Okay, is known as the mapping method. Okay, or the mapping parameter. Okay, okay, so so we don't need here the first index. We don't we are just going to ignore, we are just going to avoid the first parameter of this mapping method. Okay, we are going to ignore, we are going to avoid, we are going to, okay, let it go the first parameter of this mapping method, because we only need here index. Okay, like this. I'll just use here the fat order function again. So just like this. Okay, this is it. And now we have to create here the buttons as well. So I'll just create here button. Okay, we will get here 10 button, because you can see here total page is here 10. Okay, 10. So let me just as of now this is it. Okay, so open this, and we have to show the pages number also. So we will just say here open and closing curly braces index +1. Okay, so on this button we will give the class name also. I'll just give you the class name also. So let me just make it dynamic class using the backtick and the dollar sign. Okay, so I'll just say here btn, and I'll just say here mx, okay, 2 as well, and dollar sign I'll use here to apply the dynamic classes. We will just copy this, okay, current page, so which is 1 right now. Okay, so I will just say here current page equal to index, okay, +1. Okay, if this is equal to, we will apply here certain classes. Okay, we will apply here certain classes. I'll say here btn dark. Okay, btn dark. Okay, otherwise I'll apply here the btn outline dark button. Okay, this is it. Okay, outline, this is it. Let me just, okay, as of now first of all let me just create here the tooltip also. Let me just copy this tooltip component from here, and just to we have to enclose this button right now. So just close this tooltip now, and let me just check what is the, okay, it is from ant design only. So let me just cut this out from here. We have to enclose this button only. Okay, so let me just give here the key prop as well, because you can see here I have used here the array, so it is compulsory, it is mandatory to provide here the key prop as well. Okay, so we will just provide here the index. Okay, I'll just give here the placement also, so like tooltip placement. Okay, where we want to show it. Okay, I'll just give here the color property as well. I'll say here red. Okay, I'll just give here the arrow. Okay, true, I want to show the arrow as well, so I'll just say here true. Okay, and I'll just give you the title property as well. So as of now I'll just use here the backtick to make it okay dynamic. Okay, I'll just use here the dollar sign. I'll just say here this index. Okay, this index. Okay, +1. I'll just say here pages. Okay, so as of now guys, just save the file. Okay, as of now just save the file and have a look in the browser. So see, boom guys, we can see here we got the button, but as of now it is not functional. Okay, as of now it is not functional. See, nothing is going to happen. Okay, nothing is happening at all. Okay, so we have to make it functional now. We have to make it functional so that we can change the page. Okay, per click, per click. Okay, so whenever user is going to click it, we have to change the page number as well. We have to increase the page number every time by 1. Okay, we have to increase the page number every time by 1. Okay, whenever user is going to click on this button. Okay, so just come to the code now. We have to define here one method also. On click of this button, we will define here one anonymous fat array function. I'll just say here handle page change. This is it, and I'll just pass this index. Okay, because index is like, because array is the 0 based. Okay, so we have to make it 1, so we have to say here index +1 to make it 1. Okay, this is it. So just copy this method name from here, and just above this return statement we have to define it now. I'll just say here const, just paste it out. So say here equal to let's just create here the fat array function like this, and just to close this. So we can say here anything, page falna chilna. This, I'm very sorry guys. Okay, just say here page. Okay, and every time we have to increase this set current. Okay, every time using this. Okay, set current page state updater function, we have to increase this every time. This current page, you can see here, this is the current page. We are going to calculate. Okay, every time. Okay, we are going to calculate every time. Okay, and dynamically we will change the page number as well. So copy this set current page from here, and just paste it here, and we will just pass this page. Okay, to this set current state updater function. So guys, now just save the file, have a look in the browser, and now refresh the page. We don't have to refresh the page. Okay, so just come to the bottom now, and now try to go to the second page. See, boom guys, boom. Go to the third page, boom. Go to the fourth page, see. Go to the fifth page, see guys. Go to the sixth page, go to the seventh page, go to the eighth page, go to the ninth page, go to the 10th page. Okay, so see guys, our data is now changing, and we can see we can see also our data is being changed. Okay, we can increase the page number, we can decrease the page number. Okay, so guys, in this way we have implemented also the pagination as well. Okay, so see, it's fully dynamic and fully functional. Okay, and it's too easy to create it. Okay, I explained you how. Okay, so guys, this is the feature, and this is the functionalities, okay, of this video, of this session. And I hope guys, I have explained you to the code, to the like deep also, and you are now fully okay, well versed. Okay, and let me guys, okay, first of all let me just okay create here one thing also to show the loader to the user. Okay, to show the loader to the user. So let me just create here if. Okay, let me just check, okay, if loading is true or not. Okay, so copy this loading, and I'll show the error as well. So we will just say here, we have to just check it. Okay, so I'm going to return all the things also from here also. So close this. Let me just create here one container div, or the parent div, or the wrapper div. Okay, I'll just show here. I'll just give you a few classes also. Display flex. Okay, justify. Let me just copy this justify content from here to save a little bit of time also, and just paste it here. Okay, let me just say here flex column. Okay, and I'll just say here margin top 4, margin bottom also 4. So close this div very quickly, and just now create your h2 element. Okay, so create your h2 element. I'll give here classes also. I'll say here text center. Okay, and I'll just say here font weight bold as well. I'll just say here display 3. Okay, and I'll just put here the text also. Awesome books are being loaded, so please wait a while. Please wait a while. Okay, we are loading the books for you. Okay, awesome book for you. Okay, and now inside this below this div, I mean h2, I'm going to create here another div. Okay, close this div now. I'll just say here text center, and open this div and copy this. Okay, clip loader component from here, and just paste it here. So because this is the component, so we have to say like this, not entire things. So copy this clip loader from here, and just paste it here. I'll just give the color also. I'll just see here red. Okay, I'll just give you this size attribute as well. I'll just make it like 150. Okay, make it 150. We can just save the file, and now have a look in the browser first. Refresh the page one more time. See, we can see the loader now. Okay, so we can see here the guys loader now. I hope you can see it. Okay, this loader. Okay, this is it. Okay, and as of now let me just as of now we can see here we are fetching here the Harry Potter book. Okay, as of now guys we can see here we are fetching here the Harry Potter book now. So let me just change this. Okay, query parameter. Let me just change this query parameter. Let me just say here math. Okay, so now we are going to fetch the math book as well. Okay, so guys, okay, this is the URL, and it is going to give us the JSON data. Okay, you can see here search .json. So we are going to get the data search result as a JSON response. Okay, and this is the query. Okay, like a search query, and it is q is okay short for query. Okay, so here search query is math. Okay, as of now we are getting here the Harry Potter book. Okay, as of now we can see here we are getting here the Harry Potter book. So now we will get here the math book as well. Okay, save the file, have a look in the browser. Now refresh the page. See, boom guys, now we can see here different book now. So we will implement the search feature also in the next video, in the next session as well. Okay, so let me just say here to make it 3, make it 4, make it 5. See, we can change the data as well. See guys, see, we can change the data as well. Okay, so pagination is doing great, it's doing fantastic. Okay, it's working fine. Okay, our pagination, and we can see here we can change the book name also. I'll just say here computer. Okay, computer. Save the file, have a look in the browser, refresh the page. See, okay, so see, boom guys, see, it's cool, it's dynamic. Okay, so let guys allow me okay a few seconds. Okay, give me okay a few moments also. Let me just show you the things. Okay, let me just come here, and let me just show you the dynamic okay things also. Let me just show you the okay, so uncomment this out. Okay, uncomment this out, book search app. So uncomment this out as well. So save the file, have a look in the browser, and now see, now guys we can search here anything. Okay, we can search here anything. Okay, let me just refresh the page one more time. Okay, so we are getting the data here, and I have also implemented here the pagination as well. Okay, see, it's doing great, it's doing fantastic. Okay, so we can search here anything, any data. So let me just search here say here I can search here like chemistry. Okay, so now hit the button search, hit it now. See, we are fetching here. See, boom guys, now we can see here we have fetched the data chemistry, like all the data. Okay, so we can see here. Okay, go to the first page. Okay, so see, this is the chemistry books. Okay, all the chemistry books we can see here. Go to the second page. See, we are changing the data. Okay, go to the third page. See, so I'll show you, I'll just teach you how to create, okay, this book search app in the next video, in the next session. Okay, and guys, you can only, okay, will be the part of this okay session, this video only if you have subscribed now my this channel code with ear. Okay, so please guys, be the, if you want to be the part of this, okay, open library book search app. Okay, so you have to subscribe now my this channel code with ear, and you have to like this video also, and you have to press the bell icon also, so that you will be notified whenever I will upload the new video in the playlist, and you can watch them instantly, and you can learn from them also, and definitely guys, you will grow also in your professional IT career. Okay, so please guys, please, okay, do share this video. Okay, this video with your friends, with your colleague, with your groups also. It will be okay, like it will be okay, very okay, like okay, what can I say guys, very okay, good, okay, deed from your side, okay, for me. Okay, so please guys, do share this video with your friends, with your colleague, with your groups as well. Okay, and we will learn, okay, like this open library book search app in the next video, in the next session. So as of now, I think we have come to the end of this video, end of this session, and I'll see you in the next video, in the next session. Okay, so please guys, okay, do comment, okay, anything like whatever you have learned, okay, new or some unique, okay, from this video, from this session, in the comment section below. I'll definitely read it, and I will definitely try to implement it, okay, in my next video, in my next session as well. Okay, so please guys, okay, you can give me the feedback as well, okay, if you want. Okay, and I will definitely try to implement it, okay, in the next video, in the next session as well. Okay, so we can apply here the light mode, we can apply here the dark mode as well in the book search app. Okay, you can see here, and we can see here each and everything. Okay, like dark mode on each and every other page as well. Okay, so you can see here dark mode is still applied. Okay, dark mode is still applied. Okay, so we will just learn also like how to create this pagination as well. Okay, and we will also learn how to use this, okay, and design, okay, in the next video, in the next session. Okay, so please guys, please, and design 5.0. So please subscribe now and be the part of this lovely and dynamic community of mine, which I have on this platform, on this channel code with ER on YouTube. Okay, so please guys, please subscribe now my this channel code with ER, and I'll see you in the next video, in the next session. So guys, let me just read something for you. I hope you will subscribe now after watching, like after reading or learning, okay, this. Okay, so let me just read this for you. I'll say here, hey everyone, I know I'm not here to create low grade, vulgar or obscene content just to get the subscribers. If that was the case, I'm sure some of you would have already subscribed by now, but that's not my goal. My aim is to give back something meaningful and valuable to society through education and knowledge. Okay, if you believe in the power of learning and want to be part of this journey, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button for my YouTube channel code with ER. I'm here to teach you and empower you with the skills that will last a lifetime. Remember, there are countless channels out there offering cheap, dirty, and harmful content to entertain you. But here, it's all about growth, learning, and becoming better versions of ourselves. Okay, so if you have learned something today, found this session helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel code with ER now. Your support means the world to me. Yes, guys, you heard that right. Your support means the world to me. Okay, so please, guys, your one subscription, guys, your one subscription can motivate me, can push me to create awesome videos, to create dynamic videos for you on each and every topic of web development, full stack development, and on service now. So please guys, please do subscribe now my channel Code with ear, please, and please try to motivate me, and please try to push me to create awesome videos for you guys. Okay, and at the end of the day, it's all in your hands. Okay, and take care. I'll see you in the next session. We have got some amazing stuff lined up for you. Prabhat Pandit, that's me. Please guys, subscribe now my channel Code with ear, please. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my content, for watching my video. Okay, thanks a lot from bottom of my heart, from core of my heart. Okay, thanks a lot, a lot, a lot. Okay, who has already subscribed to my this channel Code with ear, thanks a lot guys, a lot. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you to also those guys who has not yet subscribed to my this channel Code with ear. Please guys, subscribe now, and you can see I'm putting a lot of hard work, I'm putting a lot of hard efforts to create awesome videos for you guys. Okay, okay, on each and every small topic of web development and full stack development on, okay, and as well as on service now. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my content, for watching my session. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. This is Prabhat Pandit signing off now.